Here we go. We're going to continue the Ipe deck here, doing the subframing. We're going to create a couple of steps and a platform to go into the hot tub here. This is what it looks like. All pressure treated wood for the subframing. Here we go. Here's the rest of the subframing for the Ipe deck. We just have the stairs start here. And then a platform to level out with the jacuzzi. This is what it looks like. Here we go, completion of Ipe deck, sanding, restained. We also sanded this and restained it. Completion of the jacuzzi deck. This is what it looks like. We also have the bullnose edges over here for the nice finish.